Al-Hayyu, Al-Qayyum. Allah, there is no God except He. He is Al-Hayy and He is Al-Qayyum. One of the name of Allah, and then Al-Hayy is the name of Allah, and Al-Qayyum is the name of Allah. Al-Hayy means the ever-living. He is existing forever. He is alive forever and is existing forever. How long He is alive? No limit. How long maybe He will be alive? No limit. He is ever living. He is ever existing. So there are two beautiful names of Allah you need to learn here. Allah is Al-Hayy and Allah is Al-Qayyum. There was a time when we were not existing, but Allah is always existing. He is always existing. That's the meaning. He is Al-Qayyum. He is always existing and He is ever living always. And not just He is ever living, He is the one who is giving the life. And He is the one who is giving us existence. Existence means we are existing now. We are not absent, we are existing. Allah said in the Quran, وَلِلَّهِ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى فَادْعُوهُ بِهَا. For Allah are the most beautiful names, so invoke Allah with those names. And we must learn the names of Allah. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Quddus, Al-Salam, Al-Mu'min, Al-Muhaymin, Al-Aziz, Al-Jabbar, Al-Mutakabbir, Al-Khaliq, Al-Bari, Al-Musawwir. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim is related to the mercy and love. That He is merciful, He is loving. Al-Malik, Al-Malik, the King, the infinite King. Al-Quddus, the Holy. The names of Allah in Arabic, and you can learn, you will know Allah about more and more through His names. More you know the names of Allah, the more you get knowledge about Allah. And the names of Allah is not just the names, but attributes.